How to build a £500 emergency fund, even on minimum wage. Most people want an emergency fund, but don't know where to start. So today, I'm going to show you the simplest way to build your first £500, even if money is tight. £500 isn't life-changing money, but it is enough to stop a small problem becoming a big one. A flat tire, a broken appliance, a sudden bill. £500 gives you breathing room and keeps you out of debt. Step 1. Choose your saving method. Pick one and stick to it. You can save £10 a week for a year, or £2 a day for 8 months, or £50 a month for 10 months. And if you get any unexpected money, refunds, small sales, side jobs, add it straight to your fund. Step 2. Create a separate space for it. Don't mix your emergency fund with your spending money. Use a separate savings pot or a second bank account. Out of sight means less temptation. Step 3. Cut one small expense. You don't need to overhaul your life. Just remove one weekly expense. One takeaway. One coffee. One impulse buy. One subscription you forgot about. That alone can free up £20 to £40 a month. Step 4. Add found money. This is the fastest way to reach £500. Sell one or two things you don't use, like I did in my last video. Old tech, clothes, small appliances. Most people have £50 to £150 sitting around their house without realizing it. Step 5. Automate it. If your bank allows it, set up an automatic transfer. Even £5 or £10 a week adds up faster than you think. Your first £500 is the hardest. After that, saving becomes a habit, not a struggle. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.